A day after the heart-wrenching story of an innocent woman who was gang raped and even made to drink acid in Bareilly shocked the nation, now emerges the story of another 16-year-old who was ruthlessly thrown off a moving train for resisting harassment.
मुझे मेरे घर वालों ने अच्छी शिक्षा दी है, तुम लोग के जैसे बेकार शिक्षा नहीं दी है मेरे घर वालों लोगों ने, तो मुझसे कह रहे हैं। फिर वो लोग चिढ़ गए, थोड़े से चिढ़ गए, पता नहीं क्यों। फिर उन लोगों ने, मैं दरवाजे के पास खड़ी हो गई जाके, तो उन लोगों ने दरवाजे से धक्का दे दिया। अब मैंने उन लोग को थप्पड़ भी मारा, पता है, और उन लोगों ने मुझे धक्का दे दिया बहुत जोर का, पता नहीं कैसे।
This woman's story once again highlighting how women in the country can't even risk travelling alone.
In yet another horrific incident, a young woman was thrown out of a moving train on the tracks near Bareilly railway station. Now this comes a day after another woman in Bareilly was forced to drink acid and her face was disfigured. Two cases of absolute disregard for any law and order, and once again a sign of how crime against women in Uttar Pradesh is growing with impunity.
One story after another exposing again and again that there really is no fear of the law in Uttar Pradesh, where brutes don't think twice before destroying the life of a woman. Bureau Report, Times Now.